videos that are 15 minutes or longer, you're gonna have to do this, right? So when you are logged in, you will go here, you're gonna see your profile image here, and then you're gonna click Creator Studio, right? So it's gonna take you to a page looking like this, Creator Studio. So what you want to do is go down to status and features, and then in that section you're gonna see your status and features, right? So this is mine, yours is gonna look similar, and you're gonna want to enable what you can enable in this section. You're gonna be ineligible for some things, but that's fine. What you're gonna want to pay attention to is here, longer videos. So you want to make sure that you have this enabled, because obviously you might want to do videos that are 20 minutes long, 30 minutes long, depending on what your objective is. So you're gonna have to enable that. In terms of monetization, there's an application process that you would have to go through. I'm gonna show you here what I'm talking about. So I've clicked on enable. Right, so I've been accepted for YouTube partner program terms. However, I haven't enabled monetization, because if you're gonna enable monetization, you have to have you have to meet this criteria. All channels need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So if you've met this criteria, then you're eligible for monetization, right? And you have other status and features that you have to make sure as to whether you actually want them or not. For example, live streaming, your account might not be eligible for live streaming until it reaches a certain level, but that's fine. You just do what you have to do, work hard, and you'll get there. Don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, you're gonna see an icon looking like this next to the subscription button. Click on that, and if you do so, or when you do so, you will get notifications of my next video. I will talk to you later.